What's going on, guys? My name's Roscoe. Thank you again for tuning into my channel. So in today's video, we're going to unbox the week 1 Supreme pickups. Man, I just got this stuff in. Kind of excited about it because, you know, man, some of the stuff was heat. Week 1 was dope. As far as like the whole, process went, I thought it was smooth. I was able to get anything, and everything I kind of wanted, so I can't complain there. And I hope like the rest of the weeks go like that, but we'll see. I did take a glimpse of the stuff that's dropping on week 2, and really nothing really caught my eye. So I probably won't be picking up anything for week 2 as far as clothing is concerned. However, I do have my eye on those Nike Supreme SBs, the Gatos. I'm gonna go for those, so we'll see. But in this video, let's unbox this stuff and show you what I got. Let's go. Alright, came in 2 packages. Let's open up this one first. Little box over there, or on the floor. That works. I already feel like I got the bouncy ball. You know what I mean? I can already feel it in the bag, the bouncy ball. That was the free gift that they did for Supreme Week 1, was the bouncy ball. So let's see. Let's see what this is. It's probably just t-shirts, and I'm surprised they didn't ship it. I'm surprised they didn't ship everything in like one box. I don't know why I got 2. Unless it was 2 different separate orders, which is strange. So, here we go. Let's see what's in this one. Alright, cool. Alright, so some stickers. Let's see, I got, looks like, Liquid, Box, and the Beaver sticker in this one, which is not bad. Pretty cool. Stickers, more stickers. Stickers that I don't even use, that just sit there. I'm sure everybody else is the same way. Alright, so this one's just tees. Actually, here's the bouncy ball. So here is the infamous bouncy ball. Not too bad. Pretty cool. I really don't care for this stuff. I mean, this is just going to sit there. What am I going to do with a bouncy ball? You know what I mean? Like, throw it against the house? My dog will destroy this. My dog will probably choke on this, so this is going to be probably hidden up on one of the shelves. I'll put it up there, maybe. But bouncy ball, first bag. Alright, so this one's t-shirts. First tee is the Guts tee. I got this in, it looks like the tan colorway. I don't know which one this was. Tan, what colorway was it? Does it say? No, it doesn't. I forget which one this was, but this is like the natural, I think. But nice, cool. I like it. This is dope. This is an underrated tee by far. I thought like the graphic was so dope on this. Yeah. It's so gross, but yet dope. I don't know why, but I thought that was sick. So I got that in the tan colorway, and then I got the LSD Beaver shirt in the red, because I don't really have a lot of red shirts, to be honest. I kind of buy my t-shirts. I don't really go for the most hype colorways. I tend to just buy what I don't have in my closet and kind of match it to my shoes. You know what I mean? Like, I really don't have that many red shirts, so I figured I'll just pick it up. Beaver shirt, LSD, in the red. This is probably one of my favorite tees to drop the whole week. So this is probably by far my favorite one. It just says "Life Sucks, Die." That's what the LSD means in the teeth. It's not actual the drug, but and it just says, "Life Sucks, Die, Gangsta Supreme." So dope shirt. I got an XL, so it'll fit a little oversized, and plus to compensate in case I shrink it, because I am probably one of the worst persons that do laundry. I suck at laundry. So that was that in that bag. I got 2 shirts and some stickers and a bouncy ball. Now for the big box. I know what's in this one. This one's better. This one's fire. Alright. So now in this one, what's in this box? Actually, I kind of know. It's in that hoodie. I bought a hoodie that I haven't seen a lot of people on the internet even like post or even have yet, so, which is cool. This is different, you know what I mean? I tend to buy a lot of different stuff than most YouTubers do. Besides obviously everyone goes for Supreme tees, but I kind of go for different stuff. It's kind of my style. So big Supreme bag here. Big bag. Alright, cool. Alright, right off the bat, I got the hat. This is sick. This is actually kind of sick. So I got the dog hat, boom, Supreme, dog goes with that. I'll probably throw this on. Nope, doesn't fit. I have to readjust it, and I'm not going to do this now. But yeah, this is pretty sick. I like the print. I like this graphic. This was an expensive hat though. I don't know why. It's kind of like spray painted. It's kind of like spray painted on, which is pretty cool. But maybe that's why. So I got the hat. I got the beanie. I got a yellow beanie, man. I've been digging yellow. I've been buying everything yellow lately. But yeah. So I got the yellow beanie. Oof, this is nice. These are one of the better beanies that they have. So I picked up it in yellow. You know, might as well. It's different, unique, different color. Something that I don't have. So I picked that up. Now as far as, looks like a couple shirts and a hoodie. Another bouncy ball. So I got 2 of those. Let me see, did they give me stickers? Yes. Alright, so this one's different. So I got the guts, and then it says Supreme Fuck You. So I got those, these are the stickers I got in this bag. Which is not bad. At least I got 2 different ones, you know? So this shirt flopped, which is to no surprise, but it flopped. But I kind of like it anyways, I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit, you know, if it flops or doesn't, but this is a dope shirt. This was super expensive. I don't know why this was this expensive. I think it was like 70 bucks, 77. But here is the Supreme shirt. It's a little thicker. It's obviously better quality than those shirts, the regular shirts. So that's definitely why. But yeah. So I picked it up, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Again with the yellow hat, the black hat. I got the yellow and black shirt. I'm wearing yellow and black now. I got yellow and black Pharrells. So boom, boom. You know, again, I try to match. I try to buy stuff that I have. You know, I don't go for the most hype stuff. I just go stuff that to kind of fill room in my closet. You know what I mean? To fill space into so I can put better fits together. You know, that's what you probably should do as well. But I got that shirt, and then I got a pocket tee. Again, I stay with the yellow, man. Why am I on this yellow kick? But I got a pocket tee. The pocket tees are usually super expensive, but someone told me they're worth it. So I was like, you know what? I might as well check it out. I don't have a yellow shirt, so again, that's why. A yellow pocket tee, simple, just yellow pocket tee here, and it just says Supreme right there. Again, these shirts weren't reselling, so it's not a big deal. They might be still available in some colors, but cool. Definitely dope. It's definitely thicker, like I said, it's definitely better quality than the regular tees. So that's dope. So I got that in yellow, and here is my big pickup, the hoodie. I'm excited to have this hoodie. Whew. This is sick. This is sick. I'm excited for this one. I'm excited for this one. Oh, this is nice. This is gonna be nice. This is sick. Alright, so I got the hood. I got the white dog hoodie. I don't know what they call it, but I got the white Supreme dog hoodie. Again, it's a zip up, blank on this side. It's just white. Supreme all on the hood, which is super sick. I'll throw this on at the end so you can get a better look. But then it says Supreme on the hood, so sick. Again, it's like kind of like someone spray painted, just a spray painted graphic, which is kind of dope. But here is the infamous graphic on the back. Woo! That's sick. That is so sick. That's nice. This is a good quality hoodie too. Just feeling it. This is nice. This is a good quality hoodie. I like it. Now I gotta figure out what am I gonna wear with these shoes. Which shoes to wear. But no, that print is nice, man. That print is nice. I got it in the XL, so I usually get the hoodies in the XL to fit a little bit oversized. But this one might fit true size. I don't know. This kind of looks small. We'll see. But yeah, so that's what I picked up for as far as week 1 Supreme. Let me know what you guys picked up. You know, I thought the tees, everyone copped the tees. You know, tees were fire. Most of the tees, I liked most of them, but I just wanted the guts and the beaver. Those were my 2 favorite. And again, with like week 2, when week 2 was just put out on the internet today on Instagram, I'm not going to be going for any of the clothing, but I am going to be going for those shoes. So hopefully I cop that on Thursday. But that's my video for today. Guys, if you enjoyed it, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Hey, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.